Hey class, good day. So now we will discuss your solutions to differential equations. We have two types of solutions, namely your explicit solution and your implicit solution. When you say explicit solution, it means that a certain solution is only available or in terms of one variable only. So example of that is okay, like this. As you can see, on the left side, there is only y. Y lang ang makita natin, di ba? Wherein sa right side, there's only x. So it means it is a function. No? Okay? When a solution is a function, it is an explicit solution. Whereas naman, kung implicit solution, it is a combination of two variables. Like this one. This is what we call a relation. When a certain solution is a combination of two variables, okay, it is called an implicit solution. So how can we prove if a certain solution is really a solution to the differential equation? When we are doing the proving, we are using differential calculus. Okay, let's try this problem. Okay, show that the function x squared minus x raised to negative 1 is an implicit solution to the DE. Second derivative of y with respect to x minus 2 over x squared y equals 0. Okay, ang first process natin to show that it is really a solution is to determine the order. So what is the order of our differential equation? So our order is 2 because that is the highest derivative. After that, we will derive. I-derive natin ang solution. So, y equals x squared minus x raised to negative 1. How many times will we derive? So, we derive twice. Okay? Because 2 ang aton nga order. Kung 3 ang order mo, you derive thrice. Kung isa lang order mo, kaisa ka lang mag-derive. Okay? So, the first derivative, that would be 2x minus negative 1 x raised to negative 1 minus 1. So that would be 2x plus x raised to negative 2. Okay? Next, we derive again. So the second derivative, that would be 2 plus negative 2 x raised to negative 2 minus 1. So the second derivative is 2 minus 2x raised to negative 3. After that, after we have derived twice, we will substitute. Oh, okay, take note of the differential equation. So first, i-substitute natin ang second derivative. Okay, so what is the second derivative here? That is 2 minus 2 x raised to negative 3. Okay, minus 2 over x squared. What is the value of our y? That is x squared minus x raised to negative 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Next, we simplify. Okay. Minus, okay, 2 over x squared, multiply natin sa x squared, that would be 2. Kaya ma-cancel ang x squared. Then minus 2x, so this is negative 1, minus 2, so negative 3. Then we already know that a similar term, when we subtract two similar terms, it will be 0. So if equal gid siya on the right side of the equation, it means the solution, I mean the equation rather, is an explicit solution to the DE. Okay, that is our final answer. So what we are only doing here is proving. Huh? Okay, next example. Number 2. Okay, let's have this one. So this is a certain type of solution. Ano gani kung mixture siya sang x and y or mixture of two variables? This is now called implicit solution. Okay? So kung implicit solution siya, okay, what we will do is, okay, first we determine the order. 1, which is the highest derivative here. Okay. Next, we will derive ones. Pero paano natin ma-derive, sir? There are two ways. No? First, you will isolate y. Okay, para ma-derive mo gid siya. So kung i-isolate natin ang y squared would be equal to x cubed minus 8. Then y is ultimately x cubed minus 8 raised to 1 half. Then derive. That would be 1 half. X cubed minus 8 raised to 1 half minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of the inside, which is 3x squared. Okay. Next, simplify. That would be 3x squared over 2, okay, x cubed minus 8 raised to 1 half. Then substitute. Okay, ano aton i-substitute? So substitute mo ang first derivative. So that would be 3x squared over 2 times x cubed minus 8 raised to 1 half equals 3x squared over 2. Ano aton nga y? Okay, x cubed minus 8 raised to 1 half. So pagkakita mo nga the same na ang right side sa left side of the equation, that is already the equation. Y squared minus x cubed plus 8 is a solution to the DE. Okay, so that is our final answer. Sir, kung paano, abi kung hindi equal ang right sa left. So, islan mo lang imo answer, you make it is not a solution. Okay? Okay. So, ano ang isa, sir, ka way to solve this? Okay. The other way is by using implicit differentiation. So, anong implicit differentiation, sir? So when we say implicit differentiation, we are deriving the whole equation. So i-derive na siya with respect to x. So that would be 2y times derivative of y with respect to x minus 3x squared times derivative of x with respect to x, and we already know that ma-cancel out na siya, plus 0 equals 0. Okay, then we have 2y derivative of y with respect to x minus 3x squared equals 0. By simplifying this one, by isolating dy over dx, we can get 3x squared over 2y. Then ultimately, pwede na ta ka-answer diretso. Hindi, hindi necessary nga dapat equal siya. If the differential equation is the same as this one, you can now have your answer. Okay. Okay. Next example. Example number 3. Last example. So there is a proving we are only doing derivatives. Okay, again, ang first natin nga process is we determine the order, just one, two rather, sorry for that. Next, we derive the equation. So what is the derivative of sine x? That would be cosine x minus negative sine x. So that would be cosine x plus sine x. Next, we derive again. That will be negative sine x plus cosine x. Then substitute. Substitute natin sa equation, differential equation. So we have negative sine x plus cosine x plus sine x minus cosine x equals 0. So kung i-simplify natin siya, we have 0 equals 0, and ultimately, the equation is an explicit. Nga explicit because, wala ko din nabutangan, no? Is, okay, dapat unimplicit. Diriya explicit kay y equals x. Diriya, nag-combine ng y squared kag x cubed. Solution to the DE. And that is it. Thank you so much, and God bless.